What's up, my lovely people? It's your boy MLD73, and I'm back at it again. Before I get started with this video, if y'all haven't got notifications, subscribe, anything like that, please do so. You know what I'm saying? And leave a comment down below for your boy too. You know. So let's jump right into this video. Let me show y'all what I'm doing. See, I be trying to tell y'all how I get it in over here. You know what I'm saying? I'm just like a restaurant within myself, you know, because I'm always chefing up something. That's why they call me Chef MLD73 on the side. You know, got my meat all seasoned up. Yum. Look at that, looking good. Got the pork steaks right there. And underneath here, get all my little chicken legs all seasoned up, ready to go. That's the container I make up my special seasonings with. As you can see, I already emptied it into here. So I put it up in here, you know what I'm saying? I put it in a container so I can shake it out, you know, because if you use your fingers or you just pouring it out, you use too much. So I figure I put it in a shaker. That way I can keep it all, you know, evenly coated when I hit my meat with it. Yeah, looking good. Got the dogs. Got more dogs out there. You know, got more meat I'm going to season up, slap on the grill. You know what I'm saying? This how I do it, my people. This how I do it, my lovely people. This your boy, MLD73. Let me finish up seasoning this meat. Make y'all hungry. Don't that make y'all mouth water? You know, I grew up with 7 sisters. I better have something. Yeah. Well, 5. Yep, 5. That's my boy. Dang. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Like, oh, snap. Them numbers got confusing for a minute there. I'm telling you. Y'all look at my little twin right there. Look at that. Y'all don't see it. Ha 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 ha. Back at it again, guys. We back at it again. Y'all know how we do around here. What's up? What's up? Y'all know how we do. Y'all hear the music in the background? My bad. We always play music when we get together, but that don't mean nothing. So don't be trying to hit me for copyrights, because I do not own no copyrights to any music that you hear in my videos. Now that we got that situated. What's up, Jake? What's going on, girl? Chilling, chilling, chilling. Yeah. I'm like a little puppy. Yeah. Show y'all what the boys up to. Oh, that's just the start right there. That's just the start. That's just the start of what's happening. That's how I do. All the way. Off this way. Get away from this music before I get a copyright. What's this here? What's going on with you? What's going on? There we go. There we go. Hey. Got some gifts, sis. Hey, how you doing, little lady?
I'm good.
All right, all right, all right. Hey, how you been doing?
Why you always got record stuff?
Oh, you know, we're gonna go platinum one day.
Not platinum.
Okay, go. happening? What's happening? What's going on, lovely people? What you looking mad about? Nah, the dudes here. I need some fellas here with me.
Hey, Sue. Hey, Sue. You can bring Ava. I'm No, go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Y'all know how MLD 73 do it up in here. Ooh, the boys got the table loaded. I like that. No, I had to. My lovely people. That's that boy Maxie. Yo, that's Tomorrow Pain, my people. He been hiding on us. He been hiding on us. But he's back.
Tomorrow Pain stuff, be able to see him tomorrow. He go back to hide.
Yeah, that mother ass been hiding though. He been hiding on us though. Fish fry, baby. Catfish up in there. Tilapia over there, as y'all can see. Got the little size. Got onion rings about to go down. Chips right there. We got a little taco. Everything out here. That's how I do, my people. My lovely people. Do a little bit of everything over here. Fresh to death over there. Look at him.